Hey, I'm Paul. Welcome back to my garage. Well, you see it behind me. It's the arcade project. Today we're going to try and make some progress on it. So we left off having made and dadoed out these two side panels. These guys here, we went through that. If you didn't see that, go back and check the last videos. What we're going to try and do today is knock off some of these front and bottom panels. Now these dimensions I've got in here, I realize are now pretty useless. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find the actual length of the panels. So I'm going to measure them out and get as accurate as I can that way. This 914 dimension you see here that I repeat everywhere, that's just 3 feet. So I'm going to make it easy on myself and just work in 36 inches. I'm not going to worry about the little 1/4 inch difference that I'm going to have to build into the dado, or I guess 3/8 difference, not 1/4 inch. But we're gonna go 36 inches. That's gonna give me lots of room for my TV panel and for the opening I need here for the mini fridge. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll show you what I'm working with here. I've got a finishing blade on my saw. The first video where I cut out these profiles with my circular saw, I was using a pretty dull, just general purpose blade. My brother-in-law, for Christmas one year, got me a set of these, and I decided to put them to good use. So I'm going to use the 40 teeth finishing blade, and hopefully that'll give me a nice clean edge. Although, truth be told, all my edges are going to be dadoed. But I guess these ones here won't be. I'm also thinking of maybe doing something different. I don't think I'm going to dado that all out. I think what I'll do is I'll just create an opening in there and get a piece of Lexan printed up with some graphics or something and backlight it. That might be what I do there. But yeah, let's set up the camera. And you don't need to see me cut straight lines in full speed, so I'll go time lapse here, and we'll see what I'm able to do. Okay, so I don't have enough wood to get what I want done today. I don't know why I thought 3 sheets would be enough. Let me check. Might be able to do something here. We're just gonna keep going until we run out of wood. Willy Wonka wears white waistbands. Wood. W's. Phonetics. They're important. The way I've got it currently is that I'm cutting that out of one panel. And I was contemplating using this long piece here to make up this part here and this part here. So along here and here. But I got thinking about the grain direction there. So if the rest of the panel, or the rest of the front, has the grains running vertically, it might look odd to have two of the most focal points running horizontally, like that. So what I will do instead of making this large piece, now that I've already marked it up, and then cutting out the vast majority of the middle and just calling that waste, I think what I'll do is I'll just make two trim pieces, like get rid of that, like so, and then screw those in. Screw, glue. They're going to be so short that they might be pretty stable. Maybe what I can do is put some blocking behind it or something. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I can continue making these pieces. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day there. What I've done is I've got all of my panels, with the exception of this top one and these side ones that are gonna be trim fascia pieces for the fridge. Next time, we'll start to assemble. We'll see what that looks like. As always, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching me figure this thing out as I go along. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.